What's up guys, welcome to TRADESAFE Money Research and Consultant. We can provide Forex signals with 80% to 90% accuracy. All signals are valid for any Forex trading platform. By joining our Telegram channel, you can get 2 latest free signals every week. The link is in the description. I use IQ option for Forex trade. In the next video, I will tell you why I use IQ option. Forex trading takes place every week from Monday to Friday. In the beginning, I didn't have much money to do Forex trade. My first deposit was $10 and my first withdrawal was $10. Finally, I realized to do technical analysis of signals. I want my victory to be yours. Today, I want to show the accuracy of my signals on Friday, 7th May 2021. Watch this video till the end. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I invite you all to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Good luck guys.